Okay, so today's blog article and quick video are going to touch on Google Quality Score, Google Optimization Score, and ways that you can effectively build a campaign for a personal injury attorney who is attempting to acquire MVA cases in a competitive market when you don't have the spend of their top two or top three competitors. Now, before we go into this exercise and before we go into this video, I want to let you know that what we are able to do for one client does not automatically mean we can provide that same type of result for every client. Every client has individual aspects about their firm, whether it's their geographical market, rules and regulations within their state, surrounding personal injury cases, history of the firm. There's a plethora of things that go into that. So even though we are shooting this video to provide free information, we're also providing free information in an attempt to advertise their own agency. I do want to let you know that even though I'm going to show you results of multiple law firms that we have done this successfully for, the results are not guaranteed for all firms. In addition, we are trying to educate you about how we are able to take budgets that may not be as high as a law firm's top two or top three competitors, which makes it sound like they are lesser budgets. And we are able to outbid and outposition and outperform campaigns that do have a higher overall spend than ours. Please also note that that doesn't mean we have small budgets. For example, if a top competitor in a market is spending $80,000 a month, we are not able to compete at $5,000 or $10,000. We may be able to get better results than a campaign that is spending $80,000 with, say, $50,000 or $60,000, but these are still substantial campaigns. Any agency that is able to get quality motor vehicle accident cases, not leads, cases for anywhere between 2,000 to 3,000 a case is a really, really, really good agency. So if you're currently with a company and that's what they're producing, you should give them a pat on the back. Those are actually really good numbers. Our goal in a metropolitan competitive market for a quality MVA case, whether it be soft tissue or true bodily harm, is between $1,850 to $5,000 a case. $5,000 being the high end, $1,850 being the low end, and average is about $3,000 for a quality case. With that said, let's dive into the point of today's video. So if you just do Google quality score and you come across this link here from Google, it's going to talk about quality score. It's going to say quality score is a diagnostic tool meant to give you a sense of how well your ad quality compares to other advertisers. The score is measured on a scale from 1 to 10 and available at the keyword level, not the campaign level, not the account level, but the keyword level. A higher quality score means that your ad and landing page are more relevant and useful to someone searching for your keyword compared to other advertisers. And you can use the quality score diagnostic tool to identify where it might be beneficial to improve your ads, landing page, or keyword selection. The part that we're going to focus on right here is this. The score is measured on a scale from 1 to 10, and it's available at the keyword level. A higher quality score means that your ad and your landing page are more relevant and useful to someone searching for your keyword compared to other advertisers. Sounds a lot like organic SEO. It's actually talking about Google AdWords. But if you just search for, can a higher Google quality score lower your cost per click? Yes, a higher Google Ads quality score typically leads to a lower cost per click. And if you do this, can a high Google quality score increase your impressions? Yes, a higher Google Ads quality score generally leads to more impressions. So before you start taking a look at competitors in a market, we believe in taking a look at what your current client is doing on their website with their current ads, their ad copy, their headlines, landing pages. how they're utilizing certain organic SEO elements. If you can get your client a higher Google quality score, you could, in theory, get them a lower cost per click and improve their impressions. So if you can decrease the amount of money they have to spend to be competitive and increase their impression share, you're already 2 or 3 steps ahead from the majority of your clients' competitors out there. Some of your clients' competitors, and this next part is more geared towards agencies that are looking for information. But if you're a law firm and you're handling your own ads, you can utilize it as well. Not all agencies are the same. There are a handful of really good agencies out there. And then there are hundreds of agencies that probably aren't doing this to the level that they should be or could be. Google Quality Score, Google Optimization Score is a great place to start. Let me explain from a personal example. Earlier today, we were able to get a commercial truck accident case. The call came in. We have a CLCS system here at LLG where we have ex-paralegals that actually take inbound calls for attorneys. They do the initial intake and send out the retainer doc on behalf of the firm. We were able to get a commercial truck accident case that came from an RSA, a responsive search ad, and the click was 180 or $200. It was less than 200. I think it was 180. I'll get the exact amounts in the next video and actually show you the campaign it came from. But it's a commercial truck accident, okay? And it's the second one in the past 30 days that this firm in a very competitive market has been able to get. It's in Las Vegas. So Las Vegas is probably in the top 5 of competitive markets in the US for personal injury. But with an ad spend of around $45,000, we're able to get consistent cases around the 3,000, 4,000 range. We are working towards getting that down to about 2,500, but right now we are bringing in quality MVA cases, mainly bodily harm. There are some soft tissue in that range by doing more aggressive things with the campaign above quality score, above optimization score, but that is the foundation. Today's blog article that you can read talks about the ways that you can utilize quality score and optimization score to become the foundation of how you set up all your ad campaigns. It's going to go into additional things you can do from a retargeting standpoint. It's going to have elements in there about geofencing. It'll talk about other ways that you can help your law firm clients acquire leads outside of Google Ads, still within, Google itself, but outside of paid ads. And also it's going to have a social media tie-in. If at any time you have any questions, you can always contact us. If you are a personal injury lawyer who is currently looking to bring on more motor vehicle accident cases, we also have a new division at Legal Leads Group. It is our client retention division where we are actually taking inbound calls, scrubbing them, and then passing them off to you with a retainer agreement. There'll be a second video about that, but it'll also touch on that in today's article. As always, if you have questions, call 805-273-8791, 805-273-8791, or visit lucrativelegal.com. We're always happy to help you for free and share information. Take care.